We just got to sit together. It's the next game. We got to focus on Pitt because they ain't going to feel sorry for us. So we got to go out there and dominate them guys, prepare well, execute when we have to.
Are there enough leaders on this team, you think, to keep things together, to turn things around?
Oh, yeah, man. It was positive, but at the same time, it hurts. It definitely hurts being in a close game, coming up short. Yeah.
Is there a sense of urgency for seniors with your last season? Can't let this get out of hand and just got to get back on track?
Most definitely. Like I said, we can't dwell on this game. We got Pitt next.
Defense got off to a good start, but then they really established their run against you guys. Just what do you kind of feel like a switch there? I guess kind of really starting that last drive, the first half.
We didn't execute.
Or, I mean, obviously, it seemed like a lot of missed tackles.
We didn't
Feel like that was
execute.
as much as anything?
We didn't execute.
They had a lot of success running the ball. Just pounding, had a lot of missed tackles and stuff. What, from your perspective?
You just asked the same question. We didn't execute.
They had the ball for like 20-something minutes in the second half. Were you guys feeling tired at all? Physically, were you okay?
Yeah, we were good, but we didn't execute.